hope everyone is having a great morning. Today is the Airbnb, so you know that I am excited for that because it's just going to be rest and relaxation. Tired, can't done. I'm probably gonna just sleep out the entire weekend and create content for you guys. So there are dogs fighting in the background, so you can't really hear me properly, but I'm gonna get ready and then go to work. So come with me, guys. Oh, look what I found. Woo!
Love that look on your face when you're telling me to stay.
So I had a bit of an emergency and I wasn't really able to do yoga, but I had to clean up her stuff, get her ready for the day, and make sure that everything is in order so that she can be happy for the weekend without me. So this is what I'll be taking.
Time is money, but I got some to blow on you. Follow at my tempo. Took some time cause I had to make sure. Ghost riding, but I still got road rage. On my way to you, I'm done with switching lanes. I love this ghost and cycles. The sideways eight, me and you, we so into.
So I'm back on the road. I'm on my way to get some from Sovereign, and then I'm gonna pick up my friend. Get to where this one's done because he is now at the barber, and I have something to give him. Same thing I've been putting out for like so many days because I've had meetings and I haven't gotten the time to actually get it to him. So I'm gonna get it to him today. Yeah. Okay, so I got this one, as you guys saw. I think it would go really well with the grey. I think so too. Instead of making it smaller to fit this, because this is a 5x7 and this is an 8x11, so I really think this would go great with it. So I'm going to change it out. Yes, I love it. I love it. I'm gonna put it right there so when he comes in the car he sees it. I can't wait to see his reaction. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the footage, but yeah, that's the plan. Put it right here so when he comes in the car he immediately sees it.
Too sure if it was your car. There's a car behind you.
I know.
Oh wow.
Sit down.
Hold on.
Hi.
Hi.
I don't care who behind me.
Oh wow. Who did this?
I got it commissioned.
Oh my gosh, this is really nice. This is wow. I've actually always wanted something like this, but I've never had it been able to get it done. My word, I can just imagine the reaction on the video.
The fact that you're still looking at it.
Well, I mean, it's like, it's weird because it's like I'm looking at myself, but it's just, I don't even know how people describe it.
I'm happy. Like, you've made my day. Honestly, you've made my day. No, why are we so... Yes. I don't know what's happening with the sun.
Thank you so much, Lexi. No man, but the sun green with us today, so.
No, it's a green. It wasn't a green before.
This is nice. I love this. I really love this.
I can't stop looking at you. You look nice. Look at your smile. You just
Well, I'm friends with you, so I'm
you just nice.
Thank
I'm
you.
going to look back at this when I'm at work and I'm going to smile and I'm going to think, yes.
Thank you. You're always looking out for me and you always make me feel appreciated. So
I feel like a crazy person. I was like, listen, and I'm going to wait till him reach back. I'm going to go and pick him up. I'm gonna... Bye! just changed my shirt because you know polos are lame. I just picked up Sam as well, so we're heading to Regency to meet another friend. You guys know Trisha. If you don't, well, you're not that close. Jokes. I couldn't bother wear anything hot girl summery, so I just ended up wearing this. It's easy, breezy, beautiful. I am waiting for endless cocktails to start. It already started though. That's at 2 o'clock. So if you guys want to go, it's every Friday at Regency Bar and Lounge. It's in turnover from 2 until you drop down. But I am ready.
Oh, you have it?
She has it. Morning, guys. I'm awake. No. This has to be the longest I've ever slept. Because normally I wake up at 4 and 7. So I slept 3 extra hours. That's amazing. I'm at the Airbnb. It is lovely. I think I should give you guys a tour of the place. I think I'm gonna go back to bed. Okay, so let me get up. Sorry for the mess, but this is the bedroom basically, and then it goes into the bathroom. It's pretty clean. I haven't taken out any towels as yet, so yeah, this is the bathroom. Love the rain shower as usual, and it has hot water, so win-win. Has a nice TV. Gonna watch Netflix later. I opened the windows so you guys can see. There's a pool outside. You know, other people live here, so we're out through the kitchen and the living area. Cleaning supplies are in there. You have the washing machine and the dryer, and I never knew this, but you have another little powder room. Yeah, that's pretty cute. So you guys, that's about it. I have my yoga mat, so I'm gonna start doing some yoga and then take a bath and get my day ready. in this. I bathed and put this back on because nobody's seeing me. I'm watching my stuff on the big screen. I don't think I've ever watched it, so now I can look at it and say, okay, this is what I have to improve on. Maybe I need to shoot in 4K, etc, etc, etc. But it's looking good so far. Like, I still have my own attention. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Today's the last day and I am just packing up my stuff to get out before the door locks me. It was a really nice experience. I enjoyed it thoroughly. I look well rested.